Hello, YouTube.
Every time, may I start? I'm just so convinced you're gonna do it again. Hello and welcome. My name is Jocelyn. This is my husband, Alex.
Hi.
And we are doing another Stitch Fix unboxing today. This is Alex's Stitch Fix. I will be doing mine here pretty soon, maybe even probably the next video will be my Stitch Fix unboxing. We do have a few of these already up on the channel, so if you'd like to check them out, I will link them down below. Maybe one of them. I don't know. We'll see. There's a bunch on my channel. We are in front of our Christmas tree because this is Alex's December unboxing. We didn't do an unboxing of his last box, but he got some cool things in it. So that's... Did you get this?
No, this was from a while ago.
Oh.
I kept like 2 out of the 5 things last box. I actually put in special requests for items in this box, like a really dark black jeans and a nice thick winter jacket. And this box is huge, so I'm hoping at least one, if not both of those items are in here today. So we will leave a timestamp on the screen that you can go to if you want to just see what's in the box and where the unboxing starts. For those of you who have like basically no idea what Stitch Fix is, we will give a brief description about how it works, what it is, and all of that jazz. So for those of you who are still here, Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service. You sign up, you fill out a style profile that goes very in depth about the things that you like, the things that you don't like, the types of clothes you wear, if you have measurements that are like a little longer or shorter in different parts of your body. You can tell your stylist things that you never want to receive, things you want to receive frequently. You can also make special requests. So it's a styling service. You're not getting these clothes for free or anything like that. And there is a styling fee. So you fill out your style profile, you schedule your first fix is what this is called, Stitch Fix. Once you schedule your fix, there is a $20 styling fee that you are charged. And at that time, the stylist looks at your style profile, picks out 5 items to send to you. There are so many options. There are shirts, pants, shorts, scarves, jackets,
shoes,
flip-flops, shorts, sandals, watches, purses.
I don't know, I've never seen a watch be received, but maybe. Any kind of fashion item could be in your box. So they put together this box, they ship it right to your door, you open it up, try everything on, decide what you want to keep and what you want to send back to them. There is a prepaid envelope in here that you shove everything in that you don't want to keep and mail it back to them. Really, really easy. Shipping is free both ways. And if you choose to keep anything, that $20 styling fee does get applied to anything you choose to keep. So you don't lose it unless you choose to send everything back. If you choose to keep everything in the box, all 5 items, there is a 25% discount, I believe it is, that you get off of the total price of the box. Another thing to note is these are more boutique style items, so they are not Target prices, if you will. They're like boutique style prices, but also with that being said, they are generally, well, I would say they are better quality than you would find in Target, Walmart, those kinds of stores. Oh, also, we do have a referral link. Everybody who has Stitch Fix has a referral link that we will put down below that you can click on and get $25 off of your first box, which basically makes it risk-free. You get $25 off of your next box, and we get $25 off of our next box, and that $25 will get applied to anything you choose to keep. So if you find an item that you love for $30, you only have to pay $5. So, did I miss anything?
I don't think so.
Okay, hello to everybody who's now rejoining us after we did our brief description of how this works.
Here we go. So, as mentioned, there is the prepaid envelope to send anything back that you don't want to keep.
We do get an envelope with the style guide, which has an example of all of the pieces that are in Alex's box and how to style them together. There's also a note from his stylist on that. And in here is the pricing guide. So we're not gonna look at that yet.
Right, so the way I like to do my Stitch Fixes is I just reach down and grab something, and then the first time I'm seeing it is on the reverse face of the camera here, so it's kind of a fun little surprise for me and you. I can feel that this feels like a jacket.
It feels poofy. I like that
it
color
feels
a lot.
Poofy, okay?
Whoa.
Okay, it's kind of a...
It's like a taupe, like a taupey gray.
Yeah.
It looks really good on you. This is thick.
This is a warm weather jacket for sure.
That's nice.
It's got a hood. It's always important for me. I love hoods. Throw them up all the time.
Looks like it's removable.
It is removable.
So that's nice.
I kind of like that. Kind of don't. Okay, a couple pockets. I love that. Yep, double inside pocket, size large. Should fit.
Yeah, so this is
7 diamonds. Tyler puffer jacket.
All right, did you really hold it up to give him a good look? There's the back, there's the front. All right, item number 1.
It's got a little bit more of a brown tan hue in real life. Comes up really great on the camera. Not bad. I'll have to try it on. Next item.
Ooh.
Ooh. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, it has pockets.
No way.
Wait, I might be lying.
Wait.
What is that?
What is this?
I think it's only on the one side.
Well, that's cool. One pocket. So this is some variety of a thermal-ish
It's like a
long sleeve, but
jacket.
Boom, it's also got a hood. Because my stylist knows I like hoods.
So this is the 01 Algo Albany Performance Thermal Hoodie in black, size large. I thought this was green.
This is not black, this is green.
Yeah, this is like a really deep, like forest or emerald green.
Yeah, this is not black.
Weird.
They messed up on that. Okay, 2 items down, 3 to go. There's like another warm, wet, a little flannel action. Okay, okay. I'm liking this. Very much so.
Wow, look at those colors.
Yeah, really nice dark blue,
and
tan.
It's like a
little bit of olive in there.
The olive, that's the color I was looking for.
Wow, I love this. This is dangerous.
This is the California Shirt Co. Dawson Flannel Shirt, navy, size large.
It gets a little dangerous when you love the first 3 items you pull out of your box.
But we don't know how they fit yet.
Exactly. And the crazy thing is sometimes it's cheaper to keep all 5 items than to send back the 5th one that you don't like.
Because of that discount.
Okay, item number 4.
Whoa.
I asked for some dark pants, and I got very, very light pants.
These are kind of nice though.
They kind of are, but I do not like lightly colored jeans.
Well, you can try them on. These are the Red Ale by Aylesbury Holden Slim Fit Kumi.
I have a pair of Red Ales already.
Oh.
They were the first pair I got that I really liked. So I'm sure these are gonna be comfortable, and it's gonna be a pain for me to send them back because I'm gonna be like, they're comfortable, but I don't like the way they look. And I'm pretty sure this is another pair of jeans down here.
Oh, ho, ho. All right, there's your dark.
We got some, this is also from 7 Diamonds, the same company as the puffer jacket, which I pulled out first. These are,
whoa. They're like almost like a velvet.
Yeah, like a really crushed velvet. And these are the 7 Diamonds Clifton Slim Fit Pant.
All right, well, you got your dark pair of pants.
I did.
Now that we have opened everything, Alex is gonna take out his style card.
Okay, styled for you. Okay.
So Alex's stylist is Haley. You can request the same stylist to style you again, or you can request a new one. But he's had the same person.
Same person the whole time.
Yep.
From day 1. Wow, I like that shirt down there. How do I get that? Yo, I like that shirt over there. How do I get that? So there's always cool things on the style guide. Give you all these different outfits that could go with things that you've got, and it's just cool to look at, mix and match. And then you get your cute little note from your stylist.
All right.
Style guide. Prices.
Time for the prices. All right.
Oh man, this is gonna be a big one. This is gonna be rough.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, I wish I could just be like, yeah, no, this is, it's not. All right, do you want to just pull something up?
Sure, 7 Diamonds.
Those are the second most expensive thing.
No way. What are they, like 80 bucks?
Oh, you're close. 88.
Oh, come on. These probably are not worth $88.
You guys will see when you put them on.
I don't know how I feel about the material. Like it's not denim. That's
yeah,
for sure.
It looks nice though. And it'll probably keep the color better than denim would.
For $88, this better keep its color. Okay, the other pair of jeans that I don't want, that are cheaper.
Those are the third most expensive.
So what, $80 now?
No.
79?
No.
75?
No.
How much?
68. $20 cheaper.
Ah, that is ridiculous. That makes me upset.
Well, good news is the 2 shirts are the least expensive things.
Oh, really? Never would have guessed. How much for this really awesome flannel?
Which one is that?
The flannel.
Okay, that's the cheapest thing.
Yay!
But it's $50.
Something has to be the cheapest. That doesn't mean it's cheap. $50 flannel? That's crazy.
It does feel really nice though.
Yeah, it does.
So that means the thermal hoodie is a bit more expensive.
Between 50 and 68, so it must be $61.
56.
Oh, okay.
Oh, and that leaves, we haven't said, the puffer jacket. I mean, if you think about it, jackets like this are kind of expensive.
Yeah.
In general.
What is this, like $1.20?
You're so close. 125.
Man.
This was the most expensive box I think either of us have ever gotten.
Ever.
I think.
My most expensive box.
So the total cost of everything in the box, $387.
Oh my goodness.
It's a lot. If Alex were to choose to keep every single item, which there's no way, because that would be almost, well, you would get a discount of about $100. $96.75.
Still just be over 300 bucks?
Yeah, $290.25. But his $20 styling fee does get applied, so you'd only pay $270.25.
Whoa, only $270.
But I mean, you paid the $20 already, so. Now that we have all of the prices and everything, Alex is gonna go ahead and try everything on and see how he feels about everything on his actual body. Let's get to it. All right, so Alex has the jacket on. I mean, I think it looks really good, but he noticed immediately that the arms were too short on it.
It's an alright fit. It kind of look weird.
Well, it's a puffer jacket.
Yeah, but it's got this weird shape to it, like really tight in the elbows.
That's a no. They need to be big enough. And you don't even have like a, I guess you have a sweater type thing underneath. For $125, I think you can find something that's a little bit more you.
That's the thing.
I mean, it looks good.
It looks good, but it's definitely not me. I wouldn't wear it if I owned it, even for free. I'd probably wear it if I owned it for free, but...
Not for $125, all right.
So, here we are with the black.
Looks black.
In person, it looks green. Thermal hoodie, and the black jeans, black pants. I guess. They've got a pretty nice fit to them. They're really soft and really comfortable. I'll give them that. Get a tiny bit baggy for me, but I'm sure they'll shrink a little bit. But that's kind of nice. I like a loose pair of pants every now and again. I definitely like them. Super comfortable. I guess I'll try on the other pair of pants now.
The other pair of pants and the flannel. Flannel time. Ooh.
Decided to keep the black pants on for another minute just to
feel them out.
Yeah. This flannel fits real nice. Look at that arm length.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
I have weirdly long arms. I've been liking long sleeve shirts lately.
Yeah?
I like it. It's comfortable, it's soft. I think it looks good.
Can confirm. Soft. Okay.
Other pants. They're definitely comfortable. Like, these red ale pants, I have like I said, I have a pair of them already in blue, just denim blue, and they're like the most comfortable jeans I own. So that's really hard to consider letting them go.
You know, I bet they would look good with the hoodie thing you just tried on.
You're alright, it does look pretty good.
It does look pretty good. I think the pants actually look good. The color is neat.
Still feel a little weird about it, I guess.
I mean, if you're not gonna like them and you don't think you're gonna reach for them ever, then I don't think you should get them.
Decision time, here we go.
And we're back.
And we're back.
Alex has kind of come to a decision
that I will most likely be keeping maybe the flannel and the pullover thermal. I've got a good grip of jeans right now, at least like 5 pair. They get me through. The jacket's just too expensive for me, especially for it not totally being my look. If I was like 100% in love with it, I'd probably splurge on it because the jacket's an investment, you know, especially the cold weather and whatnot, but it's just too much for me. My style personally. I like my jackets to just be black and neutral, so I can just put them on over anything and like it always works. That's a little unfortunate because it did feel nice. It was a little tight in the elbows, but other than that, like it felt really nice. Both the jeans feel really great, but like I said, I think I have enough jeans personally right now.
And the black ones weren't.
They were quite. I wanted them to be there, but I think they were a little too baggy for my taste.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, I probably
looked a little baggy.
I probably would have gotten over it, and
yeah.
I probably would have still wore them because they're really nice looking black jeans, but for $88, I gotta love that shit.
But the flannel, I think you'd wear a lot.
I'll definitely wear the flannel a lot.
Yeah. The pullover.
The pullover thermal, I have one from the same company that's in more of a olive green, and it doesn't have a hood on it, and I do wear that a lot. So, you know, they're kind of similar, but
yeah.
You know, one's got the hood, so like it could be kind of its own light thing. So, with that being said,
that wraps up Alex's Stitch Fix. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Again, there is a referral link down below. If you use that, you get $25 off of your first fix, and then we get $25 off of our next fix. Definitely helps us out a lot and helps us to continue doing these on my channel. Also, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I will be putting my Stitch Fix unboxing for December up right after this one, so if you'd like to see that and you don't want to miss out, definitely consider subscribing. And of course, if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I think that's everything we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Bye.